Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss another problem of our stack module, which is check if word valid after insertion. So firstly, we discuss our question, then we move to our approach. So in this question, what they are given you are given a string as determine if it is valid or not. So they are providing us a string, we have to find out it is valid or not. A valid string is the string that can be created by inserting A, B, C at any index and any number of times. So in second line, what they are saying, I'm taking it to a whiteboard and discuss what they are saying in our second line. Okay, so this is the second line. I'm making it big so that you can easily see it. What is written in the string. So they are saying a valid string is a string that can be created by inserting ABC at any index and any number of times. So let's see ABC, ABC, ABC. This type of string they will provide, or ABC, AB, ABCC. So these type of strings are valid according to these, or we can add, like in this string I add at this point, so that become this string, or we can add like here I'm adding at that point A B C C A B C A B C C, here only A B. So we are adding at this point, so according to this we can add any index and any number of times. This is the meaning of this line. According to this line we can do this type of activities or make this type of strings. There is not any restriction for adding strings of ABC, inserting ABC, or we don't have any restriction to related to indexes. We can, if we want add at any index, we can add it. Okay, so that's the meaning of this line. Let's move forward. Example. In example they are giving A B C A B C B C. This one can be created by ABC and ABC. Same thing I explained in before that. They are saying about this one. While it is impossible to create ABC and CAB. So this is the what they are saying. If you want to create this string ABC and CAB, so this is impossible, because what they are saying, this is impossible. While it is impossible to create this one, why impossible? Because we are making this string by inserting ABC. When we are trying to make this type of string ABC, so if we add, like here I add after this ABC, then it become ABC, not equals to that one. If try to add ABC after B, so it become ABC and C, so it's also not equal to this one. If I try to add ABC after A, so ABC, BC, so it's also not equal to this one. So we cannot make this type of string, so this is invalid string. Okay, now we have constant, so I'm taking it to our whiteboard. So this is our constant. According to constant, what they are saying, S consists of letter A, B and C only. So we have only three letters A, B, C in our string. Okay, let's see the input output format. So in the input format, they are giving us sample input A, B, C and B, C, and in sample output for this one is true. Okay, so we have boolean is valid function that returns this string is true or not. Let's move to our whiteboard and discuss the approach. So we have a constant, this one. Okay, let's take an example of string. I'm taking example of string A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C, and C. So they are saying the string of mixture of consists of these three letters. So that's suppose we have an empty string and check we are making this string. Okay, so we have to firstly we have ABC. So I am adding ABC in this one. Then again adding ABC up at here. So ABC. Then add ABC again. I'm removing this one. Okay. Now I'm adding again here ABC, ABC, ABC. Okay. Now I'm adding at this point. So we get ABC, ABC, AB, ABC, and C. So this is equals to this one. So this is valid string. This is valid. I'm again saying what I'm doing. I'm taking an empty string and inserting ABC, ABC, ABC at different, like firstly I'm inserting after first string, first ABC, then second, then third, then in fourth one I'm adding after AB. So we get same. So this is valid. Let's take another example of valid string. Okay, so I am taking A, B, C, A, B, C, and C. Okay, B, C. So we have an empty string. In starting we have empty string. So this is our empty string. We are checking it's valid after insertion. So I'm inserting in that one. So firstly we insert ABC. Then here I'm again inserting ABC. Then at A I'm inserting ABC. A, B, C, A, B, C, and A, B, C. I'm returning it again. A, B, C. This is also A, B, C, A, B, C, then A, B, C, then B, C. So we get same string which is written here. So it's also valid. Let's take another example of. Let's take an example of invalid string. For that, I'm writing here another string which is invalid. ABC or CAB. So string is this. Let's suppose we have empty string. We start adding ABC in that one. We add ABC. Then see here very carefully. This is a very interesting point. If we try to add ABC at here, what we get? We get AB, ABC, C. Okay, which is not equal to this one. Let's try to add here. For that one, A, ABC, BC, which is also not equal to this one. Let's try here. Here. If we try to add ABC at here ABC, this is also not equal to this one. So this is a invalid string. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand what is the difference between valid and invalid. Now I take some more example. Okay, so that you can easily understand. Okay, now I'm writing again a valid string A B C A B C A B C, not this one, A B A B C. So this is a string. Now what we have to check, we have to find out it's a valid or not. Okay, so what we have to do, Firstly, I am taking how this string made. So initially we have empty string. This is our empty string, so we are start adding abc in that. Add abc, then we again add abc here, so it's become abc. Now I again add abc, abc, then add a here abc. So abc, abc, ab, abc, and c. So this is where string we know. We have to find out if we insert abc in that one, it is valid or not. Okay, so let's what we do, we start moving from back and check. If we get empty string, it's valid, otherwise it is invalid. Okay, so I'm start iterating from back and removing abc. So the first abc is this one. So if I remove this, we get a b c, a b c, and abc. Now I remove again second abc, this one. This is abc, 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 abc. Okay, now what I do, I remove this one, we get a b c, and again I remove this one, we get empty string. So it's valid one. What I am doing here, I'm starting iterating from back and removing abc, abc. If I get empty string, so that string is valid, otherwise it is invalid. Okay, I take an example of invalid string so that you can easily understand the difference what I am saying. Okay, so here I am writing a string CBA ABC. Okay, so this is a string and we have to find out it's valid or invalid. Valid or invalid if we insert in it. Okay, now start from reverse and removing ABC from, because it's a mix. This string is made up of ABC and ABC. So I'm start from here, remove first one. After removing this one, we get CBA. So we don't now this string is left after removing ABC from the reverse. So we get CBA, and we have only one option, we remove ABC from this one. So we don't have no more ABC in this string. So we have CBA. So the string is not empty. So this is invalid string. Let's take one more example so that you can clearly understand what I am mean to say. Okay, so I am taking another example. We have a string A B C C A B. Okay, now what we do, we start iterating from the last and removing ABC from the string. So the last in our, when we start iterating from last, we moving from this to this. We have a pair ABC here. We have string ABC here. So we remove this one. We get CAB as a string. When we try to remove more ABC from this one, we don't have ABC. So the size is not equals to 0. Or string is not empty. So it's a invalid. Now we find out what we have to do in this, what we have to do in this question so that we find out it's a valid or invalid. Now we have to find out how we implement this. So for that, let's see here. In previous questions, we are doing a question of parenthesis. Same approach we are taking here. Let's suppose we have string ABC, ABC, AB, and ABC and C. Now, what I do, I divide this in brackets. This is ABC. Here is also a C. I forgot. Oh God. This is C. Now this one. Okay. Now I write it again. ABC, ABC, and C. Now it's okay. So first is this one, second is this one, third is this one, and fourth is. Now what I'm doing, I'm using that approach of parenthesis, same algo in which what we are doing. If we have opening bracket or another alpha, another character, we are adding, pushing them in our stack, and when we have closing bracket, what we do, we are removing from the stack or popping it out. In this, what we do, when we have ABC instead of C, because there is a constant, we have only A, B, and C in our string. So what we do, when we have A, B, C, we push them in our stack, and when we have C, we push out A, B from our stack. So let's see here. So firstly we have A, we we pop out. When we have C, we pop out AB from the stack. Now we have A, we push it in our stack. When the next one is B, we push it in our stack. Then we have C, we pop out AB from the stack. Okay. When we push C, let's see here. Let's see what we do. We take a stack here. In previous one, what we are doing, we have opening bracket and another character, we are pushing them in our stack. When we have closing bracket, we pop it out. But in this one, what we do, we have only three characters in our string, A, B, and C. So what we do, when we have A, we push it. When we have B, we push it. When we have C, we push it in string, and we have A, B, C, push it out. We pop it out, not push it out. We pop it out this from our string, from stack. Now what we have, we come to here. Now again push A, then push B, then push ABC. Sorry, then push A, then push B, then push C. So we have ABC. We remove it out. Now again we have C. So we have ABC. We push it out. I hope you understand what I mean to say. Now I take an one more example of a valid string. Let's see here. I take A, B, C, A, B, C, and B, C. Okay. Now see. First one is this one, second is this one, and third is this one. Now start pushing in stack. We push A, then push B, then push C. We have ABC, we pop it out. Now come to this one, A, push in stack, then A, push in stack, then B, push in stack, then C, push in stack. Here ABC, pop out this one. Now B, push in stack. Now C, push in stack. We have ABC, we push it out. Okay. Now I hope you understand, but now I take another example, or I take an example of invalid string so that you can more understand about this approach, what we are doing. Okay. So I take a string A, B, C, C, A, B. Okay. So we have A, B, C. Firstly, we have A. So we push A in our stack. Then we have B. We push B in our stack. Then we have C. We push C in our stack. So it's become ABC. We remove them in our stack. Then we have C. we push it in our stack. And we have A, we push it in our stack. And we have B, we push it in our stack. Then length of string complete, but size of stack become no is non-zero. We don't have zero size. If the size of stack of size is zero, we can see in our last one where the size of stack becomes zero. But here we have CAB, so size is not zero, so it's invalid. Valid string have zero size stack, and invalid have non-zero size stack. Now take another example. I'm making another stack here. I take CBA and ABC. This is invalid string. So firstly we add C, then add B, then add A, then add A, then add B, then add C. So it's pop out from the stack, and we have CBA in our string in our stack. So it's invalid string because size is not equals to 0. So it's invalid. Now I hope you understand how to deal with this problem and implement our approach. So we can more optimize this approach. But by doing this, what I mean to say, if we check before adding in our string, let's see here. Firstly, we have A, we add this. B, we add this. C, we have add this. Okay, then we pop it out. We pop out ABC. Now our stack size is 0. When we have C in our string, then check is the size is 2 or greater than 2. Why? Because when we have A, B and it's become C, we pop out. So for C, popping out as ABC, we have to check the size of 0 size is 2 or greater than 2. Then we pop it out AB from the stack. We pop out AB from the stack. And the another one what we are checking, we have AB is present in the peak of stack or on the top of the stack. If we have B, then we check for second one. If we don't have B, we do not add this C in our stack, push in our stack, we just return false. This string is invalid without checking for remaining. Same thing here. We have initially we have C, so we check size is 0, size is greater than 2 or equal to 2, and then check at the top of stack we have B or not. If B, then check for second one we have A or not. Then all condition is true, then push them in our stack, otherwise return false. This is invalid. So I hope you understand. Let's move to our editor and try to write code. So here firstly I create a stack this of. So in this what they are given us, they are giving us a string and a resultant boolean type variable which take value from the invalid is valid function. So we have to complete this function. So this is a stack. I am creating a stack of char type st. Then I start iterating for int I is equals to 0, I is less than s dot length I plus plus. Now I take first character of our ch is equals to s at I. Now what we do, we check if ch is equals to c, so we do something. If c is equals to c, or else what we do, we just push them in our stack. Okay, now if condition, what we do, we check firstly if, what we do check, we check, let's see, we have abc, so we have ab in our stack. For this one, I'm writing here a valid string so that you can understand what I mean to say. Okay, so we have abc, abc. Okay, now we have ab in our stack, so we firstly we check size of stack is equals to or greater than 0 or not, and check at the top we have b or not. Same thing I'm writing here. If st dot size is greater than equals to 2 and st dot top is equals to b, if this, what we do, we removing b from the stack. Now we remove b from the stack and then check the remaining is if st dot top is equals to ba, then what we have to do, we have to pop it out. So st dot pop, otherwise what we have to do, we have to simply return else, return false at the last if it's 0 and we have initially c here. So what we do, we just return false because we know this is invalid string. If it's valid at the last, we have empty string, so just at the end what we do, we return st dot size is equals to 0. Now let's see here again what I'm writing. I'm firstly creating a stack of character type, then start iterating in all over the string. Take first character of string, then check if it's the c, then check the size of stack is 2 or greater than 2, then check at the top we have b or not. If we have b and size is greater than 2 or equals to 2, pop it out, and then check second if we have, now we have a on the top, if true, then pop it out, else return false. In the else condition, what we are doing, if we don't have c, here I add ch because we are taking ch here. Okay, otherwise we have ab, so we push them in direct in our stack. At the last, what we are doing, just return the true if the size is 0. Try to run it. So sorry for that, there is any error. I logged out. Now I log it again and trying to run it. Now it's, you can see here, it's successfully submitted, compiled, and it gives us true. Here you can see same thing in our sample input output. We have same input, you can see here, and same output you can see here. So trying to submit it. So it's compiled successfully or submitted successfully. All test case passed. Take 0.03 seconds runtime. Memory used 0.72. So that's all about the video. If you have any doubt related to that question, please write in the comment section, like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.